Welcome to Anchor Network, where you get updated news of things happening around you. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, I would like and encourage you to subscribe so that you get updated news as soon as we publish them. Senator Kabiru Gaya, an APC member representing Kano South in the Senate, has implied that there are only 4 zones that are politically relevant in the country. Gaya, who is currently vying for the position of the Deputy Senate President in the 9th Senate, expressed that only the Southwest, Northwest, Northeast and North Central are politically relevant in the country because they delivered the highest number of votes. Speaking to Channels Television in a recent interview, Gaya also pointed out that he had no issues with the Senate President being zoned to the Northeast and Speaker to the Southwest and the Deputy Speaker to the North Central by the party, in his words. If you look at the trend of elections in Nigeria this time that voted President Buhari in office, it's mainly produced by 4 zones: the Northwest with about 6 million votes, Northeast with about 2.7 million votes, North Central with 2.2 million votes, and Southwest with 2 million votes. When you look at it in the system, that these 4 zones delivered the president. In my own opinion, everybody is relevant, irrespective of what those zones that this Gaya has talked about, irrespective of the numbers of votes they got. The other zones, the little or whatever numbers of votes they got, it was really added. They were really added to that millions that this guy is talking. I don't know why people just come out and feel as if they are superior than others. You are talking of the 2 million votes, 6 million votes that were gotten from all those regions that you are talking about. What is the quality of life of those people that you are even talking about? Are their lives better than the ones that could not even give you those votes? How can you equate that vote, the vote that those people gave to you, how can you equate it with the standard of living of those people? They just love to quote numbers. You quote numbers, then how has their life improved? The people that gave you that vote, how has their life improved? That is the question this politician needs to answer. The people that could not give you the vote that you expected, go and check their lives and the lives of the ones that gave you millions or billions of votes, as you may have it. So what are you proud of? You are proud that those people give you that kind of votes, and yet what did you pay them back with? At least when you are talking of this thing, you like, okay, these are the people that gave us votes, and go and see their lifestyle, see what we have done for them. There's a saying which says, don't give me fish, but teach me how to fish. It's not all this 1,000 naira empowerment. They will give you, they will buy a wheelbarrow, they will buy grinding machine, they will buy 5 packets of 5 cartons of Indomie, that you are establishing someone. And at the end of the day, of what use is that thing? Even those ones that they give all this Marwa motto or something, all this tricycle, go and check them after like 6 months, after 1 year, you will see that everything will go back to zero, because the road they are going to apply that Keke Marwa is deteriorated. No good road. The people, the water they are supposed to drink in that area is messed up. You see them going to hospital from time to time. Even when they are sick, go and check whether the hospitals, they have a good hospital that they can attend. Even when you get to the hospital, the doctors have not been paid. The whole place is dilapidated. Now you are bragging that they gave you 6 million votes, 2 million. They are politically relevant. I pity the people that even give them such votes, because these politicians don't deserve it. I'm looking towards a day where there will be revolution, in the sense that people will say, today we are going nowhere. Nobody will go out to vote, because all the votes that will be giving you, what has it amounted to? Nothing. When you are bragging that these zones, they gave you these numbers of votes, at least the people also should be proud that we gave you these votes and our lives have transformed for the better. Because the people giving you votes are supposed to be your boss. You are supposed to be the servants, but reverse is the case. So nobody should come and be threatening people that some people are politically relevant. They are just using those people, and most of the people giving them these votes are so naive. because they don't even know their rights. Because if you know your rights, after I've given you my vote, because I'm entrusting the governance of the state into your hands, and I know you'll be able to do it. Suffering is at its peak. Poverty is at its peak. Illiteracy is at its peak. Poor health is at its peak. So what are you bragging for, Mr. Politician? So guys, that is just my own opinion. If you really agree with what I'm saying, please, you can put down your comments. And if you feel indifferent, you can still put your comments. And if you feel that there's anything you need to add, still put your comment below and let's learn together. Thank you very much.